Looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2024? In today's video, we're diving into the best induction ranges that combine style, power, and precision. Stick around to find out which one earns the top spot for modern cooking. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Bespoke NSI6DB990012 AA Induction Range. This induction range combines sleek design with impressive performance and smart features. This knob-free range has a touchscreen control panel and ambient lighting that enhances any kitchen. It performed exceptionally in tests, boiling water quickly on the powerful front right burner and delivering even baking across multiple oven racks. The 7-inch control panel is intuitive and offers access to local weather, recipes, and connections to smart devices, allowing you to take calls or monitor your Ring doorbell. One unique feature is the built-in oven camera, accessible through the SmartThings app or Samsung appliances like TVs and Family Hub fridges, letting you monitor cooking progress and even capture time-lapse videos. With all these features, it's surprisingly well-priced compared to other high-tech induction ranges. Number 2.00P2MS1. This induction range combines striking design with top-notch performance. Its customizable hardware and sleek touchscreen panel add elegance to any kitchen. Beyond looks, this range excels in functionality. It boils water 13% faster than average and offers outstanding heat retention and even baking, especially in true convection mode. The intuitive touchscreen makes it easy for beginners to get started with induction cooking. Smart features further enhance its appeal. Wi-Fi compatibility with Café's Smart HQ app allows users to control the oven and cooktop remotely, access a recipe library, and even enjoy guided cooking with compatible smart cookware. For those seeking both style and advanced cooking tech, this range is an impressive choice. Number 3. Frigidaire FGIH3047VF. For those looking to ease into induction cooking, the Frigidaire Gallery is a solid choice. Its simple, sleek design includes auto-adjusting burners and a user-friendly layout that minimizes the induction learning curve. With quick boiling burners, this range also speeds up cook times. Beyond basic functionality, it offers air fry mode, true convection, and steam cleaning, all impressive features at a budget-friendly price. In testing, it performed exceptionally, roasting pork without drying it out, baking a pizza with a perfectly crisp crust, and boiling 6 cups of water in just over 4 minutes. If you're seeking an induction range with great performance and a straightforward setup, this model is hard to beat. Number 4.01. Bosch HIS8655U. This is a fantastic option for those with a little extra kitchen space looking to elevate their home cooking. This range performed exceptionally in testing, thanks to its excellent insulation, even baking, and spacious cooktop, earning it a nearly perfect score. Its intuitive oven settings, like pizza, proof, and 3 convection modes, make it easy to tackle specific dishes with confidence. With a professional design, the range features heavy-duty knobs, a stainless steel finish, and an edge-to-edge glass cooktop that enhances any kitchen's look. Standing 36 inches high with a 36-inch wide cooking surface, it's a stylish and functional upgrade for any cooking enthusiast. Number 5. GE Profile PHS93XYPFS. This slide-in range offers the perfect blend of smart technology, quality cooking performance, and sleek aesthetics, making it a top choice for induction cooking. We were impressed by its rapid boiling speeds and versatility, with temperatures ranging from high searing to low simmering. The oven delivered evenly baked cookies, both on standard and convection settings. Smart HQ's remote control capabilities and built-in oven camera for monitoring food are standout features. However, the air fry setting didn't deliver consistent results, though with some adjustments and accessories, you could make it work. Overall, the range is a smart investment for both functionality and style. So, which is the best? After reviewing all the options, the Café CHS900P2MS1 stands out for its powerful performance and sleek design. It's the perfect choice for a premium cooking experience. Thanks for watching.